Hi everyone, my name is Marky, one of the co-founders of Millennial Business Mentors and also an online entrepreneur. Now, owning a business page with over 100,000 followers, it requires us to have a lot of contents. Okay, so having a support with AI, okay, helped me a lot na makapag-create ng maraming contents na valuable. Right? And you know what? Sobrang swerte natin kasi si Mentor Deus will be having another event on Sunday, May 5, all about AI. Okay? So I've attended actually yung training niya last year. Sobrang dami kong natutunan dyan. I actually attended that training, number 1, because ang nag-train sa kanya ay si Peng Jun. And I'm also a student of Peng Jun. Number 2, okay, si Mentor Deus kasi yung nagtitrain, okay? And even though it is a paid training, okay, no questions. I really attended it, okay? Kasi alam ko mahal ang training ni Peng Jun, okay? And since si Mentor Deus naman, magaling magturo yan, okay? Mentor ko din yan, okay? So, I understand na magiging valuable din yan para sa akin. Okay, so I encourage you, attend ka sa May 5, Sunday, don't miss it. It's going to give you a lot of value for your business.
Hi there! I'm RN Pastilioso, a licensed electronics engineer, a full-blooded USANA associate. Alam niyo ba, nung naka-attend ako ng training na to, The Power of AI, sobrang nakatulong siya in growing my business, especially in communicating to my customers and to my prospects. So, kung ako sa'yo, i-consider mo na to at umattend ka na. Kasi nga, di ba, those who keep learning in life will keep rising.
My name is Joanne Lois Tobias. I'm a former teacher by profession and one of your silver directors. And I want to encourage every one of you to attend yung training about AI on May, no? This coming Sunday. Kasi bakit? It really helped me grow my business, no? And ginamit ko talaga yung mga tools na natutunan ko sa training ni Mentor Deus nung ako ay nag-grow ng aking business online. So with the Zoom, kung paano yung mga posting and everything. So I am very sure na makakatulong yung training na yun sa inyo. Kaya never miss it.
Hello there! So I'm Trina. So I'm an online entrepreneur and sobrang laki ng tulong nung AI training ni Sir Deus Joaquin. It improved my skills and engagement to my client kasi I do online business in different platforms and marketplace. Kaya we are inviting you this May 5 Sunday to attend one of the exciting training by Sir Deus Joaquin. Sure na sure ako, maraming matutulong to sa negosyo mo. See you there.
I'm Maricris Chu Sarmiento, Executive 2-Star Diamond Director of USANA Philippines. I really encourage everyone to attend this coming May 5, Sunday, sa training ng ating napakagaling na Mentor Deus Joaquin. Previously, we attended his training and nakatulong talaga yung kanyang mga tips like ChatGPT, Video Maker, yung mga ibang AI tools na inintroduce niya sa amin para mas lalong mag-grow yung business namin. So, thank you so much, Mentor Deus, for your generosity, for giving us opportunity to learn na kahit na grabe yung ininvest mo dyan pero napakaliit lang ng learning fee namin, no, para matutunan at ma-absorb kung ano yung natutunan mo. Guys, please don't miss this opportunity. It's your turn to grow your business through the help of AI. I-share nyo rin to, ha. Dapat marami din ang matuto, no, about how to maximize kasi ito na talaga yung newest trend sa pag-grow natin ng business natin. See you!